How about you? What was your big takeaway?
I think my big takeaway, I mean, first off, not to give too much props to the host of the thing, but...
I hear he's handsome.
Yeah, he's a handsome devil.
Yeah.
Not you, by the way.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I just think that, Perry Belcher was one of the first people that I think I bought my first traffic course on. And the funny thing was, I believe the name was Perpetual Traffic.
It was not.
I think it was.
Oh, that's so funny. You know what? I bet you he's never forgotten that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just find like anything that comes out of his mouth is gold, and the things that he drops like just on the side, it's not even the presentation. Like he's done a couple of presentations here, but it was like he did this thing about like how he evaluates copy. So it was the Cub method, if I recall. It was curious. Wait a second. It was how you evaluate individual pieces of copy based upon other people reading it for you and telling you which parts are unbelievable, which parts are boring, and which parts need to be cut out. Like just something as similar, as simple as that.
Yeah.
Like little nuggets like that you just pick up along the way. And that I look at our copywriting team and how it's kind of a sole operation. Like a copywriter writes and then they submit it. Well, we have a team of copywriters. I'm like, well, we should all do the Cub method where we overlay and read each other's stuff before it even gets to the point where it's being presented to a client. Like little things like that, I find those little nuggets. Second part is I think all the conversations that you have with individual people. For example, I just talked to, I forget its name now, but it's the people sometimes that are in the mastermind that make the biggest impact. And you just did an exit. We're looking at acquisition strategies, how we actually do specific acquisitions in the media space. And he gave me a whole list of ideas as to how to actually do it, not necessarily through a cash exchange or a stock swap.
Was this Ed Diamond?
It was, Ed was one of them. Yeah. But then what I actually talked to two people about this. Yeah. Ed was one, and it made me think differently about all the stuff that we're doing right now, which brought me to the conclusion that maybe how we're doing our strategy right now isn't the right way, and there's other ways to do it. But the best part is that I got all these guys' contact information, and now I can contact them and actually ask them real advice. And the third person that I just literally met like right before we started hitting record was what to do after an exit and all the tax deployment strategies after that.
Oh, that's Jim Smythe.
Yeah, Jim Smythe.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So super sharp. So sometimes it's not necessarily the presentations, it's all the little nuggets. Like obviously this is more of a digital marketing, internet marketing focused type of group.
Well, even so, we had an attorney come and do most of the first talk, The
attorney. Now I have his name in my Rolodex.
Right.
Like that's...
Yeah, Ryan Poteet.
Ryan Poteet.
Yeah, best marketing attorney in the world, brother. Can we give him a plug?
Yeah.
Because, dude, that guy just saved me some money. As he was talking, I sent off 4 different messages. I was like, change this on the website, change this in the ads.
Yeah.
Yeah, our contract needs to say this.
Right.
We won't say any names, but a friend of all of ours just got hit with a $14 million FTC fine.
Yeah.
$14 million.
That's a take the company down.
Oh, I don't have $14 million. I'm done. That's all my stuff.
Yeah.
That's all of it. Plus. Yeah.
So it's people like that, and so Ryan is somebody that I now have in my Rolodex of people to call in order to make sure that we are fully compliant. Because my job as a CEO is to make sure we don't have any of those take down the company type of moments.
Hey everyone, it's Carmen and Ashley from Gad's Girls. We're talking about 3 free tools that you can use today while writing ad copy and spying at your competitors at the same time. Now, Ashley, I know you're writing a lot of ad copies every week. What are some of the things that you think about first when you're diving in